Hello, good morning guys. We're here in our property after the flood and that's how it looks around. By the way, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. That's how it looks. You can see the leaves, it's mud, full of mud. That's how it high. Okay, we're now proceeding to check more areas. And there's a flood. This is up to there. You see that muddy area? So the flood is up to there. It's almost 10 foot or 11.
Mm.
That's why we're checking now how does it look going to river. That's Kukubaro.
Ready to go first?
Yes, okay. Oh, wow. See how does it look? It blocks our way. We need to move this one day. My husband is going to cut it. Aray! Oh my god, it's spiky. Careful guys, it's slippery, it's sandy.
Alright.
Goodness. It's our first time to came here since after the flood. See, blocking the way where this came from. You need to cut that. See the rope? It's covered by with mud. Ayan. Oh my goodness.
I'd have bashed me in the face with it.
I'm full of mud. Ay, ay. Still, the water
Oh,
is
hi.
very high.
Mm.
Careful.
Alright.
Mm. Mm. Full of mud. Still muddy.
Slippery.
Yeah, it's just slippery. You see how high you can find the muddy area. That's how it is. See the water before that water's bit lower. No more sakatters because summer is over. It's already autumn. Okay, guys. Okay, bye. Okay, guys. I'm sorry. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye.